If there's a book that you want to read, but it hasn't been written yet, then you must write it. Step out of the history that is holding you back. Step into the new story you are willing to create. We are all in the gutter, but some of us are looking at the stars. Live the life you have, but fight for the one you want. Ugliness with good character is better than beauty. You can, you should, and if you're brave enough to start, you will. Fear is forward. No one is afraid of yesterday. Do one thing every day that scares you. By changing nothing, nothing changes. For every minute you are angry, you lose 60 seconds of happiness. A ship in harbor is safe, but that is not what ships are built for. At any given moment, you have the power to say, "This is not how the story is going to end." The only thing worse than being blind is having sight but no vision. Do what is right, not what is easy nor what is popular. Some people will never support you because they are just scared of what you might become. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.